Guess where your girl Yammy's at? That's right, I'm at Hollywood Studios at Disney World. Yay! We're doing Hidden Mickeys here at Hollywood Studios. So let's go see what kind of Hidden Mickeys we can find. We're gonna get on Tower of Terror, and there's a few of them in there, so I'm hoping to get those today. So let's go hunt for Hidden Mickeys. There's a lot of hidden things in here, but I don't see any Hidden Mickeys though. Excuse me, sir. Have you seen any Hidden Mickeys? No? Okay, have you seen any Hidden Mickeys? No? Okay. I'll keep looking. Now, my book says that this place, which serves your PhotoPass needs, studied the outside structure for several Hidden Mickey shapes. So just inside here should be several Hidden Mickeys, but they don't give them all away. So I'm going to look and see. Let me see if I see any Hidden Mickeys. Check the donation. I found one. Look at right there on the donation. I knew that. Okay, let's walk down here, see if we see any in the rocks. As Bruce said, with all this rock work, there's got to be a Hidden Mickey in here somewhere. I'm not seeing. Could that be one? No. They would define these a little bit more round if they were. Well, we found the one on the Dalmatian, so that's a start. Who just made a point? Right here where it says PhotoPass, that's a Hidden Mickey there, right? I'm going to assume it is. When we come into Hollywood Studios, we always like to go into the dark room first, and then go over to the Five and Dime. Outside the Five and Dime, they have this 50th for the Hall collection, and they got Hidden Mickeys down there. Well, we decided to come inside Frozen and sit down. It's a hot day, so as much as we can get air conditioned, we're going to take it. So we came in and sat down in here, and we noticed something was a little bit different. They reupholstered the seats, and they put new carpet in. Don't know how many of you actually remember what the old carpet looks like, but this is the new carpet. It's blue, and then the seats, they used to be some kind of a cloth. Now it's like a vinyl. So, and they're brown now instead of blue. And the carpet's blue instead of brown. I think it was brown last time. I don't know. Was it still blue? Blue with other colors.
I think even the seats are new. I don't think they've ever reupholstered.
You think the seats are just all new? If you look back here, you can see, but up there at the very top, let me see if I can zoom in. There's one blue seat right there in the middle of the auditorium.
It's special because, well, for the first time in forever, Elsa and I will be celebrating the Arendelle Festival. Yeah. I'm Anna. Hi. Oh, and now I am honored to introduce to you all the Arendelle Royal Historians.
Oh, wow. A lot of people for a rehearsal. Hi. Welcome to Dress Rehearsal.
Oh my God, thanks, you too. Oh, it's me, Aria. Hi everybody. Hi. Baby Belle.
And I am Sir Eric.
Oh,
thank you.
Sir Eric, what?
Thank you. That smattering of applause is everything I dreamed of as a child.
Wow, I'm so glad that your dreams are coming true, but when were you knighted?
Just Eric. Just Eric. That's fine.
Well, as you can see, this is the Twilight Zone sundial. But it's not in the sun anymore. Basically, from this point, it's a 60-minute wait. but we're not waiting for them right here. We're going in. We're already heading up in there. We're going to see what kind of hidden Mickeys we can find. They said in the library there's some hidden Mickeys, so that's what we're going to look for. Now we're in the queue line ready to go in, and the book doesn't tell us if there's any hidden Mickeys outside here, but I'm pretty sure somewhere you'll find a hidden Mickey. Just not sure where. So obviously there's probably some in here too. If you know of any hidden Mickeys, comment down below where they're at. And the next time I go, I'll be sure to look for them. Okay, we found some music here. No, this is not. It's not this one.
Not this one?
No, because it's supposed to be what? No Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
And I don't see that written on there. Alright, so we looked inside the library, and where there's supposed to be music sheet where it's supposed to say what? No Mickey Mouse. Couldn't find it. So it might have been, it was a whole different song, so it might actually be in the other library, because there are two libraries.
Yeah, that's right. Think about it.
So we're going to have to come through and come back around again and go through the other room. And we're going to try today. We'll see what we can do for today. But meanwhile, we're here. We might as well take an elevator up to the 13th floor.
That's where our luggage is at.
Our luggage is already up there. We're staying. We get the penthouse. Well, we are on the Tower Chair elevator now. And watch this. See the little girl right there?
Yeah.
She's holding on to a Mickey. That's her hidden Mickey. Oh, where did they go? They're gone. Alright, here you go. There's the hidden Mickey. Well, there's a whole bunch of them. They're all over the floor. Alright, right down there in that drawer, right there, are 3 gauges that look like a hidden Mickey. Those ones, that's really hard to find. I had to really flash my light over there to find it, but it's right there. Alright guys, so that was the hidden Mickeys that we found today. Trust me, I'll be doing hidden Mickeys every time we come to the park. Just throw some hidden Mickeys in there so you guys can see them. But it's really cool how Disney incorporates these hidden Mickeys everywhere. And I like finding them. But I will say my book is very outdated, because the Great Movie Ride's still on there, and there's like 3 pages full of hidden Mickeys in there. So now that's no longer there. So a lot of the hidden Mickeys that I find in the book are not around anymore, or they're someplace different now. So it's a crapshoot if you get it or not, and you find them. But I like hunting for them. I think it's fun to find the hidden Mickeys. Don't you guys? Don't you have fun? I do. Do you have fun, Boo?
I have a lot of fun.
He has a lot of fun, of course. And I'm not even holding a knife or anything up to him to make him say that. Alright, that's our day here at Hollywood Studios. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed finding these hidden Mickeys. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Come back and see us some more. Monday nights, we do our lives at 7 p.m. Except for the second Monday of the month, it's at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I will be seeing you guys Monday, which will be tomorrow, 7 p.m. Come join our live. We have a lot of fun. There's a lot of information that comes out at times. Other times it's just a lot of jokes and laughing and having a good time. And Boo always trying to make me wet myself.
Sorry.
Okay, ready? Ready for a good laugh? Yeah, that face. Yes, that was quite a picture, wasn't it? How adorable he was. Or he is. Alright guys, we're going to head out of here. We'll see you guys later. And thank you for being here. And I love you all. Well, we love you all. Bye.